Well, g'day there traders again. Thanks a lot for joining me on this Tuesday afternoon. This will be earnings related and just an update on how the actual earnings announcements, the post-trade recaps are going to work for this week. Obviously, in our top 13 individual trade list, there are 6 stocks reporting earnings this week. It all kicked off on Monday after market close with IBM, as the chart suggests right here, being the first to report their earnings. Coming up later this week on Wednesday and Thursday, we have quite a vast mixture. We have Amazon taking place, we have Boeing Airlines, we have Caterpillar, Facebook, and Google. These are the big players in our list which are reporting both on Wednesday and Thursday. Now, what I said over the weekend in Pro was that I would put out private updates in the Pro private area. That is fine. The first stock which we or which should have been obviously referenced would be today, and that would be IBM. The reason why it is not up is because there actually isn't a trade on IBM. You can see during Monday's trading session, there was a little bit of euphoria moving into the market and across the broad market. Really what happened was after the market had closed, the announcement came out, it was relatively flat for IBM. Quite rare given the amount of gaps we have seen historically once earnings has been announced. It was actually quite a negative report. It was, I think, the lowest revenue stated since 2002. However, through accounting practices, creative accounting practices, they were able to buy back enough shares to make the earnings per share actually favorable. It actually beat estimates. Now, we're not here as fundamental traders. We're not here as fundamental investors. I should say we're here as actual technical traders. I am an accountant by trade, but I love technical trading. The technical picture of IBM, however, factoring in the post-earnings trading session, is not really favorable one direction or another. This is the reason for the YouTube update today. The reason being that there is no actual earnings trade on IBM. It's the first out of 7 or first out of, the other 6 which are due to be released. What I'm much more inclined to do, and what I will do obviously, is in that Pivot Point Pro private area, on Wednesday afternoon, I will begin referencing the shares which are reporting. Those stocks will be Boeing Airlines. We'll have also, let me just have a look through my list. We'll have Facebook as well. That's a stock which I haven't actually referenced. These are the 2 reporting on Wednesday, it appears. But on the Thursday, we've got some of the big players. We've got Amazon. I'll just write here. Pardon my writing, by the way. We'll have Amazon. We'll have Caterpillar. And we'll also have Google. So you can see that during or later in the week, in that pro private area, these will be where the big stocks I'll give you privately in regards to the actual gap and go types of trades, which may present themselves. It's not a full-gone conclusion yet, but they may present themselves later in the week, and that will be posted on the private area. However, today, to get the information out there and to stop you from signing in and having a look and waiting for an IBM trade setup, this is the reason why. And it'd be more so inclined for a Wednesday and Thursday afternoon, even a Friday after market look at these individual stock trades based on their earnings reports. So I hope you take that for what it is. Email me if you have any questions whatsoever. success@pivotpoint-trading.com. Otherwise, I'll catch you all on a Wednesday afternoon for another market recap. Pardon me. All the best, traders. Goodbye.